Alright, I'll figure it out after stream. I'm on stream, babe. Yo, what's good, guys? Guys, what's good? Hold on. I can't see what's going on yet. I can't see anything. Hold on. I need to do something here. I had to come check in with you guys because, guys, I'm a little bit stressed. I'm a little stressed. Hold on. I can't see. Who's in here? Who's in here right now? Logan, what's good? Alexis, Shakir. Guys, I'm a little stressed. Okay, as you can see, here's my new mic. Okay, but I wanted to use the new setup today, guys. Hold on, let me plug this light in. See? Hold on. I'm literally a wreck. I'm a wreck. Hold on, stay with me. Hold on. Oh no. I got all this new camera stuff, guys. I don't know how to work any of it. None. I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on, I'm back. I put the light on. Guys, I don't have a clue in the world what I'm doing. Okay? I'm stressed out. I got this cool new microphone. Does it work? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if any of this stuff is working. Hello? 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 It seems like the mic is working. How would I know? This is plugged into... Does this need to be plugged into the computer? Guys, see, I'm a wreck. I'm a wreck. I think that's in the computer. Okay, that's good. The mic's good. The thing is, guys, I don't know how to work the new camera. It's giving me all these messages. It's not working when I don't know, guys. I don't know. I need like a step-by-step guide. Guys, like, you know, I'm a trader. I'm not a streamer. I'm a trader, so this is all very new to me. I need somebody to make a legitimate video for me to how to use it. Or come here and set it up. This way I can just come and film. It's just too much. Anyway. Hold on, let's get the charts up. Let's get the charts up. Mic is working fine. No, but the thing is, guys, is that I'm still on the Mac right now. I'm on my computer still. I'm on my computer. I'm not on the new camera. I want to be on the new camera so the quality's good. But the new mic, guys, check out the new mic. It's badass. All right. Who's in here? Who else is in here? Sabrina, what's good? Tim. Guys, sorry for not being as consistent. I've been just trying to get everything loaded. As you guys know, I'm sure you've seen, is that I'm going to be live streaming on the Chart Fanatics YouTube channel. Chart Fanatics, the video that you guys watch, I'm going to be live streaming on their channel I think for me, I'm going to be doing every single Wednesday, and then we'll be live streaming here every single day. But this is the thing, guys. We had no trades today. No trades. As you know, why? There's no red folder news. There's no red folder news. We're not trading. We're not trading. We are simply not trading. No red folder, no trades. That's why we didn't trade today. Okay? I do not care what happens today. It'll probably be pretty choppy because there's no news. But, guys, I have been working on also, like I said, I prefer to do the 4-hour trading. Right, guys? You guys know is that I prefer trading the 4-hour chart. But remember how I was trading on the lower time frame and I was using the indicators to get confluences. Guys, I created an even better model. And I've been trading it. And I'm still doing some testing, but it's extremely powerful. I haven't shared it yet anywhere, but I have been trading it the last couple days. I've been doing a lot of back-tested data on it, and it's pretty strong. And I'm just trading the open. I'm coming to the charts at 9:20, and I'm getting off of the charts at 9:50. So it's literally 30 minutes, but I catch some serious trades, guys. And also, if there's a red folder news event, like an 8:30 news, like it's got to be red folder. So like retail sales, CPI, NFP. I catch a strong, either a reversal trade of that move. So I either trade from like 820 to 850 if there's red folder that day, or if there's no red folder, we can do I do from like 920 I'll get onto the charts until 950. But guys, that's like using the 1 minute chart, and I made it in a way where it's you don't really need any indicators. You're just solely relying off price action. So it's a little less stressful for you guys, but the 4-hour chart is like where I truly shine. But I'm thinking of like another model that I've updated. And guys, like I'm always trying to adapt to the market, and I was doing some back testing and I was like, wow, this works really, really well. And I've been trading it the last week, and it's been giving me some great results. Yeah. Let me see if I could pull it up. Okay. Hold on here. I caught a very sexy DAX pop today. I was thinking of you when I took profit. Yo, my boy Ash. What's good, my brother? What's good? Yo, I just saw that you went to a new little Airbnb in Vietnam. It looked nice, pal. It looked nice. Who else is in here? Let's see. Jeremy, what's good? All right, guys. So as you guys know, this is the thing. I wanted to come in and check in on you guys and I just want to say what's up because I was a little bit stressed out. Okay, let me show you an example of one of the trades. Let me see here. Oh God, hold on. Okay. Here we go. Hold on here, guys. I'm just showing it on this because all I use is the Bollinger Bands, and I wait, and look, I have some data here. Hold on here. Here we go. I took this yesterday. We had PMI. Look. I'm showing it, guys. I'm showing it. I'm showing it now. I'm showing it right now. Okay, this was a trade I took yesterday. Hold on here. See how I have all this data here? So yesterday, what happened? Yesterday, we come to the charts. Like I tell you, I come at around 9:20. As soon as 9:30 opened, right? What happened? What happened at 9:30? We manipulated down, created this fair value gap, right? On the 9:30 candle. We're outside the Bollinger Band. Notice that this fair value gap printed outside the Bollinger Band, right? Here, we have this inversion play at 9:37. So I'm looking for this play between 9:20. I'll come to the market at like 9:20, but I'll wait for 9:30. So 9:30, I want to see a move, somewhat of a manipulation move. We have this inversion play here at 9:37. As soon as we inverted here, I was long. I set my limits here. I got long on the inversion, but you could set a limit here on the inversion and then set your stop below because there's no reason why this should come and break. And then you could just set, I'm not going to tell you guys how to manage a trade. You can go for 10 points. Normally what I do is I go for a close above the top Bollinger Band. That's what I do. So what I did yesterday is that I saw this inversion. As soon as I had the inversion, I went long. Stops were below. And I took profit as soon as I got a close above the top Bollinger Band. I was out. And that I hit around, I think that was around $900 yesterday. And then, like, guys, you're going to see some huge trades here. Ready? Watch. I'll show you another one. Okay, this is a different entry model, but look. Right here. What do we see? About 9:30, like, okay, we're basically playing the open, guys. There's a lot of volatility and a lot of liquidity injected into the market at the open. So what do? 9:30. I wait for a print. What happens? I reject 50% of this fair value gap, right? As soon as and this is a trident pattern. Here, look. As soon as this candle closes, I'm long here, stops below. And look, this was an astronomical trade. But you could take 10 points, 15 points, be out. Done. Or trim half. I'm not going to tell you guys how to manage the trade. These are just things that I've been working on slowly, and this requires a lot less like indicators and stuff. It's a lot easier on your psychology that you're just looking to play the open, guys. Because look, you only need this small move, and then you're done for the day. That's it. F around and find out what's good. I'll show you another one. I'll show you another one here. Ready? Here's another one. That's NFP. See, I have everything marked out, guys. But I'm just solely trading the open. Let me show you like a really, really good one. Here's a good one. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Okay. 930 prints, right? 930 prints. Here. Boom. What do we get? First presented fair value gap. A wick through the 50%. Look at this strong wick here. You could enter long here for a small scalp. But this is where the home run setup is. Ready? We're outside the Bollinger Bands, right? You break. This candle breaks two lows. Look, we close below this low and this low. I'm short here. My stop is here at the top of this candle. And look at the RR. I'll show you another example. These are all examples that I've been back testing. I have screenshots, tons and tons of screenshots on it. Let me show you. You want to know like the holy grail setup, guys? I'll show you. If you could sit and wait for this, I'll show you. I'll show you a really, really good one. Ready? I have a lot of back tested data on this. Let me just go to like one where I would like. Okay. See, I have a lot of data here. Yesterday, this is all I was doing was back testing. Let me go to a. I want to show you a long. I want to show you a long setup here, guys. Let's see. Hold on. It seems... Okay. Here we go, right here. Here we go, right here. This is the one I wanted to show you guys. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Ready? If I see a setup like this, I'll... the win rate, Shakir, I would really like to get more data because I just don't have enough right now. I really want to get at least 100 trades of data. Right now I have around like, I don't have anywhere near enough data. That's what I'm telling you guys is that I'm still back testing this, and which time zone? 9:30 a.m. So all the stuff that I talk about is literally going to be New York session, so Eastern Standard Time. All right. So what do we get here? Let's go through something. Something that, if you guys have been around in the live streams, you're going to hear me talk about this. What happens? Okay, we come to the market. 9:30 opens. What do we get? Ready? Follow me here. Follow me here, guys. Follow me here. Ready? Follow me. 9:30. What do we get? What happens? We get this manipulation below the Bollinger Band. Look, huge sell-off. You know what this is? This is a false move. Ready? Then what? 9:36, right? We're inside of that big... The first 15 minutes of the market opening, there's going to be a lot of fake outs and there's going to be a lot of volume injected into the market. So what do we see? We get all these fair value gaps printed outside the Bollinger Band. What happens? We get an inversion. Not one fair value gap, but two. You're entering here on the inversion. Stop below this first inversion. Look. Look at the target. See? You could trim. What would my first target be? A close above the Bollinger Band. Right there. Boom. That's TP1. And then you can leave a runner if you want. You can monitor the trade however you want. You guys, you got it. I'm telling you, just if you could solely backtest and trade the open, that's all you need. Literally trade from 9:30 to 9:50 and look for A+ trades. Don't even look for trades outside of that. If you're going to trade the 1 minute, look for a trade on the open. So that's like my opening trade, and then I have my 4 hour, which I really, really love. But that's, you know what I mean? That's my red. It has to be red folder news. Has to be. This you could look for a setup every single day, even if there's not red folder. But yeah. Can you please check silver last NFP? Is it a power of 3? Let me check. All right, anyway. That's enough of that because I still am getting data. On silver, NFP was, guys, remind me, what date was that? Let me see. Hold on, let me go back. That was, see, look, I have all my stuff here. NFP, we're gonna go all the way to, what was that, August? See, all the back testing I'm doing, guys, that's why my charts are, we're gonna go to August 1st. All right, no problem. August 1st. on silver. Was this a power of 3? No. This was you're looking for what? Shorts? Bingo bango bongo. 4 hours more for swing trading. Did you end up doing a Discord? I'm gonna make it, guys. Can you please check PK? This is not a valid setup at all. First of all, if we're looking for shorts, all of our EMAs have to be below, which they're not. Do you see? Our EMAs are not looking good here. There's no place here. Let me show you a really good setup on gold that we had. All right, I'll show you a good setup on gold. Ready? Let me show you an A+ setup on gold. This was on July 21st, 2025. Let's see. Ready? What news do we have July 21st? Oh, we had none that day. Wait, what new? No, I did. Hold on, guys. It's because I changed my filters here. What happened here? I don't need this. Wait. Hey. I'm gonna show you guys like a real. Okay, here we go. This was NFP, July 2nd, 2025. Ready? If we go July 2nd, 2025. I need to fix this. Hold on, this is driving me nuts. I don't need this. I don't know why I changed it. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. I want to just check something real quick. I need growth, inflation, employment, central bank, housing. We don't need this. We don't need this. We need this. Okay, apply filters. Good. Okay, anyway. So, July 2nd, 8:15, we had ADP non-farm employment change. Not NFP, we had ADP NFP. So the day before, which is a heavy red folder event. Now, that's July 2nd, right? Ready, watch. Stay with me here, chat. Stay with me here. Stay with me here. July 2nd, right? Go to the daily. July 2nd. Ready? I'm gonna put you onto some sauce right here. Oh. July 2nd. Okay, ready? Now, if you notice, right? We're outside the Bollinger Band. All of our EMAs are stacking, right? Look. All of our EMAs are stacking. Our daily is looking very, very strong. Look. All of our EMAs are stacking here. The 5, the 9, the 10, the 5, the 9, the 13, the 15. 50, 100, 200. Look, we're strong trending environment, right? Now you drop down to the 4 hour, right? What do you say? I go to my 4 hour. I got red folder news event that day. I'm outside the Bollinger Band. This is my power of 3 right here. Ready? Look, this is my power of 3. Asian session. I know my charts are a little messy, guys. Asian session's here. The 18 candle. What happens? What happens? We sweep this candle's low, right? We sweep this candle's low. We close. Bullish. I'm entering here. My stops are below the low. Boom. And I'm riding this entire PO3 out. Look. The 6 to 10 a.m. And then what happens? The 10 to 2. That's your power of 3 right there. Look. You're sweeping that session's liquidity low. Right there. Boom. I'm entering on that candle close. Stops below the low. Right? This is your power of 3 right here. Accumulation. Manipulation. Distribution. This is gonna consolidate until the news comes out. Right? And then here's your distribution. 6 to 10, and then 10 to 2. Right there. Boom. A 1 to 5. 22 candle did the liquidity sweep. Yes, you either want to enter on the 22 candle or the 2 a.m. candle. Those are the two candles I look for entries. You should be in a trade already or stopped out at the 6 a.m. candle. So the 6 to 10 and the 10 to 2 are the distribution candles. Every single time. They're the distribution candles. They're never going to be the manipulation candles. They'll be the distribution candles for you. Because why? That's when the news is going to be coming out. That's when, London and New York are aligned. How many strategies do you have, T? I have about, right now, I'd say the ones that I'm using the most, I have about 3. I have the Trident pattern, I have the PO3, and then I have the New York Open. So those are the 3 that I'm using, really. How many could you check USD JPY PO3 July 15th? Sure. USD JPY. Give me a sec. Let it load up. Oh, if you guys didn't know, Apex Trader Funding, 80% off. 80% off right now. It's no longer 50% off. It's 80% off. Code TG Capital. No, John, I do not. This is not financial advice. There will be none of that ever. I'm just an idiot trader at the end of the day. Okay, why is this not loading? There we go. Okay. What am I checking here? July. What'd you say, Jonathan? Logan? July 15th. Okay, let's go here. First of all, let's check if we have news. July 15th. CPI. Perfect. I'm going to go to July 15th. Jonathan, this is freaking money, dude. Wait, let me check here. July 15th. Hold on, I want to see something on the daily. This is the only thing I will say, Jonathan. And like I said, you just got to do some more back testing. I like how the EMAs are, like, do you notice here? If you really, guys, this is one crucial thing. The previous, so say you have an NFP, right? Say you have an NFP day coming up or a heavy red folder news event. You want this candle, so say you're looking for longs, right? You guys got to use this indicator, the one that I showed you, the bull trading indicator, right? You want the previous daily candle, right? This is huge. To either close, preferably to close green bullish or this blue and black, which means that this previous daily candle closed with strong bullish momentum. Now, is it ideal that we're not above the 200 EMA? No. Would I still take this trade? Yes. Why? Because this previous daily candle, right? You want to see it close. If it closes, it should close either on the 5 EMA or above it. If it, say it closed here, right? Say this was the July 7th. This is invalid. It's got to close on the 5 EMA. It's got to close on here. If it closes here, if it were to close here, look, if the open of the candle was here, it would be invalid. It's got to close. You want it to see the previous daily candle respecting the 5 EMA. Preferably either closing on it or above it. Now, if we go to the 4-hour, Jonathan, right? We know we have that red folder news event. We have CPI. We go to July 15th. What do we see? All of our EMAs are stacking. Ready? Look. All of our EMAs are stacking. Look, 5, 9, 13, 15, 50, 100, 200. Now, what do we see? Now we wait. What do we want? Power of 3. Ready? Watch. What does Jonathan notice? Ready? Sweep of this low on the 22 candle. Boom. You enter here. Look at this. Perfect entry. Stop below. What are you doing? You're riding the entire move out. Ready? Look. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Right here. 1 to 10 R. Logan. Great freaking trade. Logan. Great trade, brother. Absolutely. Logan has it down. I know. Sorry. Logan, because Jonathan has been messaging, and I wanted to get back to him, and it's just the name. Sorry, Logan. Yes, Logan is probably, I'm not even kidding, he's got to be one of the best people who's adapted to the model right away. For sure, without a doubt. He's got to be, like, up there. He's probably number 1. Logan, yes, that's correct. Logan, that was a perfect entry. Perfect. And also, if you notice, Logan, we're also in a 4-hour fair value gap. We're also inside of that 4-hour fair value gap. This was a beautiful trade. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous trade. So yes, that is valid, Logan. 100%. I would take that. And you have the CPI news data. Why? It's because you're going to get the volatility injected into the market. Phenomenal trade, bro. Of course. Raj, we don't trade AUDJPY. We don't trade that. I won't look at it because we don't trade that. It has to be affected by USD news. We do not trade that. Where do I make my trades? I make my trades on NinjaTrader. On NinjaTrader. For my Apex accounts. And I have a few other firms I'm trading with. But mostly for my Apex accounts. Guys, I can't wait to... I'm about to run these accounts up big. So yeah, I'm trading with a few different firms. You know, Apex is my number one. Always. Obviously, scalability and ROI, they're number one. They're the best. They're the best. I have my 150K PA accounts. I'm trading with like a bunch of other firms right now as well because you know why, guys? I want to milk them all. I want to make as much money as I can. 4-hour Trident setup July 27th. Watched a lot of your videos on YouTube. Came across TG and saw something totally different method. Phenomenal guy. Rents, I appreciate you. Yo, guys, I haven't let's guys, who needs an Apex account? Be honest with me here. If you lie, I'm gonna be upset at you. Who needs an Apex account? Who's in need of, you know, maybe in some financial hardship right now, could really use some help? You know, I'd love to give you an account. So let me know down below. And if you haven't received one yet from me or from the Discord, I mean from the YouTube, let me know. Let me know. F around and find out. You already got one, my boy. And you have to, guys, you have to be able to trade with Apex. That's crucial. Your country can't be banned. You have to do your research. Are you allowed to trade with Apex? If not, then don't be part of the giveaway here. Mahesh, I get the New York Open model. I could almost guarantee. Well, I don't want to say guarantee. I want to say it's likely that I get at least one to two setups per week with the 930 Open. I haven't received any. All right, we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way then. Hold on. We're gonna go with Nightbot. How many likes do we have? Guys, drop a like for the stream. We're trying to get the streams to keep growing, guys. We're just gonna be consistent. We're gonna, you know, I want to bring something different to the space here. We're gonna start. If you guys are newer here, we're gonna start doing. I'm gonna be on the Chart Fanatics live stream every single Wednesday. I'm gonna be there. That's why I got my new setup here, guys. I got my brand new setup, and we are gonna be on that every single Wednesday. And I'm excited. I got my new mic, my Rode mic. I got a light. I got my new camera that I don't know how to work yet. And, yeah. So we're going to be doing that every single Wednesday. I'm excited for that. And I hope you guys are excited for that. So that should be coming, I think next week we're going to be starting that. But yeah, can't wait for that. We're going to be doing the same stuff that we do here, but just going to be on their channel. And then the rest of the days, we'll be doing the live streams here, if that's cool with you guys. How do I get Yo, Ash, you're ridiculous, dude. TG, 4-hour PO3 for news days? Yes. Shakir, we only trade red folder news. That's it. Solely. All right, let's run a giveaway because, guys, I actually have a meeting with Apex at 12 o'clock. So, I have a meeting with Apex at 12 o'clock. And they just want to do some catching up. So, let's run the giveaway. Hold on here. I'll do a giveaway. I'm only gonna do one account because the likes are low. The likes are low today. Hold on. Nightbot. And we'll do one account. We'll give it to a lucky winner. Nightbot. Login. I gotta get all this stuff ready to roll for Chart Fanatics. Okay. Oh, I gotta do it here. Okay. Oh, wait, I can't. Alright. This is a whole mess, man. Hold on, guys. Alright, I'm gonna give it to someone. Do you give out Top Step? No, I don't work with Top Step. I only work with Apex Trader Funding, the best firm in the entire industry. Code TG Capital for 80% off right now. 80% off. I don't work with anyone else. I work with Apex. There will be no Top Step giveaways here. Only Apex accounts. Why? Because they're the kings. They're the kings. Okay. We're gonna give it to somebody. I'm gonna give it to someone today. You know why? Because I have to set the Nightbot up on my PC. I haven't done that yet, and I have to do that. Okay, let's see who I'm going to pick. Let's see here. Who am I feeling today? Okay, you have to have a Twitter account. Tony Tix, what's good, my boy? You have to have a Twitter account. And you have to be able to trade with Apex. Your country can't be banned. If your country's banned, then don't be in the giveaway. Very simple stuff. LOL, this guy is trying so hard to be an influencer, man. Booking trades. Not really, pal. Well, when you do as much as in payouts as me, then you can start your own live stream, all right? How about that? Anyway, and matter of fact, you're the one who's here. You don't have to watch. You can leave. Thanks. When's 90% coming back to Apex? Don't know. I told you guys to take advantage of that when I was here. Let me give it to... You know who I'm going to give it to? I know who I'm going to give it to. I know who I'm going to give it to. Think South African's so restricted. Alright, anyway, we're going to give it to John Chun. My boy John Chun. Because you know why? John Chun, you're the winner of Apex Trader Funding giveaway account today. Why? If you make so much, why waste time teaching? Because booking trades. Did you ever hear about something called purpose? I can make as much money as I want, but it doesn't give you purpose in life. When you're helping others and you're giving back to people in the community and people who are struggling, that gives you a bigger purpose in life. It has nothing to do with the charts, bro. It's far, far bigger and deeper than just making money. If you can give back and you can help people, then that gives you a purpose. And everyone needs that. So I appreciate you being in the streams, but if you're going to be negative, just leave, bro. I really don't even care. I don't need to see you here. It's fine. It has nothing to do with money. So that's the end of that. So if you guys think that, like, I could just not do any live streams, guys. I don't need to be doing any of this, to be completely honest with you. I do it because I like it. It's fun. I get to hang out with you guys. I get to chill and yeah. So if you don't want to be here, bro, just leave. I really don't. I don't need you here. Shakir, I actually have... Oh, guys, if you didn't know, I filmed a sick video with Christian. As you guys know, Christian was here, and he's a friend of mine. And if you guys have seen, he's actually one of JadeCap's students. And we filmed a really, really sick video, but I'm having a hard time uploading it to YouTube for you guys. We filmed a video talking about the power of 3 and then what firms we recommend. And yeah, I'm trying to get that uploaded. It's filmed and it's done. We did it literally, we did it Monday. And it's just taking forever to upload, guys. Like, I don't even know how to properly upload a YouTube video. I'm just horrible at this stuff. I need to get better at it. But yeah. When will you come live? When will you come live with Christian? Christian went back to Wisconsin, unfortunately. I wish he didn't. But yeah, I'm hoping he moves down here, bro. That's my guy. Big D, no, it does not. I have a full video with Christian that I filmed. It's just when I went to go upload it to YouTube, it said like the amount of hours was insane. It was insane. It was taking forever, guys. It was at 1% for like 3 hours. I don't even know how that's even possible. I wish I had a time machine so it's New Year's so you're in Thailand. Be so fun. Ash, I can't wait to meet you in person, pal. We're going to wear party shirts together and we're going to run around like little silly gooses. Yeah, guys, like at the end of the day, if you guys know me, I'm here doing this because I want to, not because I have to. I really don't. Like, I could have no social media presence and I don't have to do the live streams at all. I really do. It's not necessary for me. I work with the firms that I work. I literally work with Apex because they've always treated me right. I work with TradeZella, and I work with TradeSyncer because it's all things that I utilize. You know what I mean? So it's like I'm not forcing you guys. You guys could do whatever you want. If you guys want to use my code, go ahead. If you don't, I still feel the same way. The only reason why I have a code with them is because they've been good to me. They've always treated me right. And I do believe that they're the best firm in the industry as far as scalability and ROI. Like, what other firm can you trade with where you can make up to $70,000 every 8 trading days? If you have a 300K account, you can make 70 grand. You have 150K, you can do 55K. You know, I was making $40,000 every 8 trading days, getting approved on Sundays in 2 days. You know? When is PO3 video dropping? F around and find out. I have it filmed with Christian, and it's taking forever to upload. It literally won't upload. I don't know how. I'm still getting used to this, guys. I'm getting better. Raj, I don't know. I never traded with them because they don't allow US-based traders. But I know that they've been around for a while, so I don't think that you would have any issues with them. Bro, drop Trident setup examples. Okay, Shakir, I'll film a full video outside of the Chart Fanatics video doing more Trident setups. Would you guys like that? No, F around and find out. I'm not even editing the video. I was trying to upload it raw because I don't even know how to edit. I don't even know how. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to edit a video. Guys, this is the thing for me, is that I just want to film the stuff. Like, I want to come to the live streams. I want to have it set up already. I want to film a YouTube video. I don't want to edit it. I don't want to spend the time doing it. I don't know how to do it. I just want to be able to film content and then somebody else take care of all the work for me, which I have coming in the future. But I need, like, I can't do this by myself. It's too much. Like, I just want to be able to film the content and then somebody else go in, edit it, maybe make shorts out of it, maybe do, YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts, like, reels for Instagram, like, clips for Twitter. Like, I don't want to have to do any of this, guys. I want to be able to focus on live streams, filming the content, and trading. The editing and all the other stuff is, I don't want any part of that. And I don't know how to do it. And I don't want to learn how to do it. It's just too much for me. So so I'm in contact with an agency that they're going to start helping me with my stuff. And it's just like, you guys got to understand that it's a lot, man. It's a lot. It's a lot to fit. This content stuff outside of trading is a whole nother job. It's a job on its own outside of trading. So not only is trading a job, now managing my socials and like YouTube and like editing videos and getting shorts. Like, I need help, man. I can't do all this by myself. It's impossible. It's too much. It's stressing me out. It's like finding new camera equipment. It's like learning how to use the camera equipment. It's like, my head's gonna explode, man. I need to outsource. I need help. Do you guys understand? So I need like people on my team. Like, I need a team. And I'm in contacts with an agency that they're supposed to be helping me out, and Riz has been helping me out with this, and yeah, like I need assistance. It's the only way it's gonna work. And I had a meeting with Riz after our Chart Fanatics video where I'm supposed to be getting help with an agency, and we're supposed to team up. So yeah, and it needs to be for professional guys. Like this is my brand. Like, I can't just like take anybody on. You guys got to understand that. Like, this is a professional thing, like with contracts, and like it can't just be some average person that I'm taking on under my wing, because at the end of the day, it's like, this is my business, and this is my personal brand, and I need it to be a legit. So like, this is something that, there's going to be a contract taken out for, and yeah, I need help, man. I need help. I can't do it on my own, man. I can't. I'm trying. Which award is on your desktop table? Oh, okay, good question. This is my award here. It's my Alpha Prime Award, 2025. When I got the call up to go with Alpha Prime, they sent me this in a nice little care package. Yeah, it's pretty dope. I like it. I keep it on my desk. And yeah, that was from when I had my payouts with Alpha Capital. They brought me up to Alpha Prime, and they sent me this nice little award. It's pretty dope. It's cool, right? Yeah, I like it. It's a good reminder. And yeah, love them over there at Alpha. Those are my guys. Yeah, pretty cool award. Shakir, of course I trade personal capital, but on my personal accounts, I'm solely swing trading micros, and I leverage the props for like a little bit smaller time frame entries. Yeah, so I get the best of both worlds. When I'm on my personal account, I'm usually swing trading either the 4-hour chart or the daily. I'm not taking short time frame entries, but yeah, I do trade my personal account. I have my prop accounts, and then I have my Alpha Prime account as well. One of one award, I guess. Yeah, I don't know if they sent this to the. I'm sure the other Alpha Prime traders got this award. It's a care package they send out, but I don't know how many Alpha Prime. Back when I first got in, there was only 6 traders. I think that they brought on some more people now, but yeah, this thing's sweet. Love it. I keep it on my desk as a reminder. Let me know all my hard work that I put in and where I'm at now, and yeah, it's just a cool award. But yeah, guys, I gotta run off soon because I have a meeting with Apex, and I just kind of wanted to hop on here to just say what up to you guys. Yes, Logan, I am. Yes, Logan. Bro, do you talk to JCap? That guy's really cool. Guys, JCap's my friend. That's my boy. I was with him literally last weekend. We went to Top Golf together. We went to dinner in Miami, and then yeah, I don't know if you guys. I posted the photo on my Twitter, but yeah, JCap's my boy, and I was with him literally on Saturday. I was with him. Very cool guy. That's the homie. Yo, Pine Tree, what's good? Yo, how huge is JCap? JCap isn't that big, guys. I'm just short. JCap isn't tall. He's not that tall. Guys, I had my loafers on, right? And with loafers on, I'm probably around 5'7". I'm probably around 5'7". JCap is probably 5'10". He's not that tall, guys. He's not that tall. JCap's the homie. Yeah, okay. Booking trades. You're the one who's still here, bro. You're the one who's still here. I guess the guy who has the largest payout in prop firm history. Yeah, I'm sure. Bet he was wearing heels. F around and find out. Yeah, he was wearing his platform shoes. I was making fun of him. I was making fun of him. Hold on. All right, I remove booking trades. The guy is here just to cause problems. He's out. Yo, Piney, how we doing? You take any trades today, Piney? No, I didn't, Logan. Still in. Still in. Big D. Yo, do you do the carnivore diet? Big D, I mostly do animal-based. Mostly animal-based. 5'7" isn't really short, am I wrong? I feel short. I feel short. I am short. I'm a short king, and I own it, and I'm proud. I own it, and I'm freaking proud to be a short king. Yes, John, message me on Twitter for Apex, and I'll send you the account. He's just a hater. Yeah, it's totally fine. It's okay. At the end of the day, he could hate all he wants, and he can hate all he wants, and I'm just still going to be collecting my payouts. So that's all. That's all that matters. Yes, another daily. A little mixed DLL on Tradeify. Nice, Piney. You are the daily payout king. Guys, if you're not familiar with Piney, Pine Tree, he's a streamer. He's a friend of mine, and he streams at 6 p.m. Eastern time on New York time. If you guys need like a cool streamer to hang out with and check out during the afternoon session, or like Glowback session, go check Piney out. He's awesome, man. And although I haven't won a moose race yet, I'm looking to potentially win tonight. I get very excited for these moose races. So go check Piney out and subscribe to him if you haven't. If you don't know who he is, he's cool. That's my guy. Of course, bro. Of course. Always. Yeah, love his streams. I watch him every single day. Every single night at 6 p.m., I'm watching Piney religiously. Religiously. And I'm waiting for the moose race. Always. But go check him out for sure. Want to know your routine in a day as a trader, bro. Okay. Guys, I can make a video on that. Would you guys... Yo, Christian? Okay. Christian made a video with his meta glasses on... Christian made a video with his meta glasses when he was here. And he's doing a full day in the life. Like when I picked him up from the airport. Me and him went to the gym together. He has video of us at dinner. And Jade Cap's has a vlog coming out. And I'll be in the vlog because I was just hanging out with him, and then he had the videographer there. So when that vlog comes out, go check it out because I'm gonna be in it. And I was doing some funny stuff in that vlog, and I think there's gonna be some bloopers in it of me. And yeah, Jade Cap will have that vlog out. I don't know when. And Christian's gonna have his vlog out too. When he used the meta glasses to do it, it was pretty sick. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be in Jade Cap's vlog, but that was funny. I was doing some funny stuff in that video. Yo, what happened? Do you guys want to see that? Like, that's totally outside of trading. Is that something that you guys would want to see? Like, would you guys watch that stuff? Or is it dumb? Honestly. Yes, Big D, I am. I love vlogs. Yo, what's good, Frozen Flame Gaming? Yeah, guys, get the likes up. How many likes we got? I can't even tell. How many likes we got here? Deepak, I'm not trading right now. Okay, I can make that happen. Oh, God, what time is it? Guys, I got to run because I got a meeting with Apex in 30 minutes. So I'm going to drink a nice iced coffee, make sure I'm ready. And I just want to check in with you guys. All right? Because I haven't been on the stream. And it's just because, guys, to be honest, I'm setting up all this camera stuff. And I feel extremely overwhelmed. Extremely overwhelmed. Like I said, I have to do the videos. And then I don't know how to edit. And then, like, I don't know how to work the freaking camera. And I have to set up a new template for Streamlabs. It's like all this stuff, guys. I'm just not good at it. Like, I'm just a trader, man. Like, so anybody can say whatever they want, is that, like, I'm a trader first. This stuff comes second to me. I do this because I love you guys and I want to help you and I want to bring value to you and I want to have a bigger purpose other than just trading. and I'm still working on this. It's gonna take me a little while. This is like a learning experience for me. I just started streaming probably about a couple months ago. So, and now I'm getting all this new camera stuff. I got a PC again. I got ring lights. I got new microphones. It's just a lot, man. And on top of trading, and then I'm trying to help you guys with questions, and my social media is growing. It's just like, you guys got to look at it from my perspective. It's just like, it's a lot, and I feel a little bit overwhelmed. That's all. And I'm trying my best. I really am. And I'm getting better. And I love you guys. I freaking love you guys. And I just want to help you as much as I can. And I'm trying to. And so if there is a day where I'm not streaming, it's not just because I'm saying I don't want to. It's because like I'm trying to figure out other things and I feel stressed out. And it's like I just need to give myself a mental break. Okay? So it's like there's a day where I'm like, guys, I just need to like chill. It has nothing to do with you. It's literally me. Because I put a lot of stress on myself and a lot of pressure on myself. And if things aren't like perfect or like working out the way I want to, it's like I go into like a turmoil and like I'm like freaking out. So like with everything going on and just the streams and then now the chart fanatics on Wednesday, and it's like I don't feel like my camera setup's ready yet, and it's just a lot of stress, man. It's a lot. And like I need a team of people. I can't do this by myself. And I'm hoping that I could hear back from Riz about me getting the help from the team, because I need a professional team, like a real team that could be on me and help me with like YouTube, like editing and short form content and all this stuff. I can't do it alone, man. I can't. It's crazy to even think that you can. Are you going to be on Chart Fanatics Live? F around and find out. Yes, I'm going to be on Chart Fanatics Live every single Wednesday. Every single Wednesday, your boy will be on Chart Fanatics Live. I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, guys, I got to run today. I got to go do this meeting, and I want to have a coffee, and I just want to check in on you guys because I love you guys. Apex 80% off, code TG Capital, TradeZella code TG Capital, and also TradeSyncer. I love you guys. Do we have Red Folder tomorrow? No trades today. What news we got tomorrow? Let's see. I think we have unemployment tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be looking for trades. We have unemployment. All right. Friday also nothing. So tomorrow, what I'll be looking for is the 9:30 open trade. I'll be looking for the PO3 for tomorrow since we have red folder. And Friday, I'll probably just looking for like the 9:30 open trade. Other than that, there's going to be no PO3 trade on Friday. Like a very slow week this week, guys. But next week, we're pumping up again. Next week, we're pumping up. Fairly slow week this week, and it's okay. We got CPI next week, PPI, and retail sales. Next week is stacked, guys. Next week should be a real good week. This week, a little bit slower. So haven't been taking as many trades, and that's cool, and I'm cool with that. So just know that we don't have much news this week to go off of red folder. But next week, we're pumping up, baby. We're coming back, and we're gonna be hitting some big trades, because usually CPI and NFP week are my best weeks. So I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. And yeah, guys, I just feel overwhelmed, and yeah, I just want to check in with you, say what's up, and I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Until tomorrow, I'm gonna be clocking out. Love you.